Did you know that you can install Windows 11 without a key and use it without ever activating it? Microsoft no longer forces you to provide the license during the Windows 11 setup, which means you can install it without a product key and still access most of its features. However, what does this actually mean for you and what are the consequences of skipping activation? Let's explore this process together. If you're preparing to install Windows 11 on a new device, you'll be happy to know that Microsoft lets you download the installation files without asking for a Windows 11 activation key or even a Microsoft account. Once you've created your installation media, boot your laptop or desktop computer from the USB stick you prepared. The Windows 11 Setup Wizard launches and you can proceed just as you would with any typical installation. During this process, you soon reach a screen asking you for a product key. Click or tap the option labeled "I don't have a product key" at the bottom of the window to move forward. Microsoft won't ask for a key again during the rest of the installation. When you install Windows 11 without a key, the way the operating system behaves depends on your device's history. If Windows 11 was previously installed and activated on the same computer, Windows will automatically reactivate the moment you go online. If this is the first time Windows is installed on that device and there's no digital license associated with it, then it will remain unactivated. In short, you don't need a product key for Windows to install and use the operating system, but activation depends on whether Microsoft recognizes the device's hardware as having an associated license. It's important to know that using an unactivated version of Windows is completely legal. Microsoft openly allows users to install and run Windows without a product key, in case you want to test the operating system before buying it. You're not breaking any terms of service by skipping activation, although you might receive occasional reminders to enter a valid license. Microsoft doesn't lock you out or set a time limit. So, if you choose to install Windows 11 without an activation key and skip activation permanently, the operating system still works. However, there are a few noticeable limitations. After a few days of use, you will see a watermark that says "Activate Windows" appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's visible over everything you do, but doesn't interfere with the apps you're using. The personalization features in the Settings app are disabled. You won't be able to change the wallpaper, theme, accent colors, or set a custom lock screen until Windows is activated. The Settings app may display reminders to activate Windows and show you recommendations for buying a valid product key. One last issue, and the most important, is that you might not get access to major Windows 11 updates that add new features. However, you can download and install regular updates and security fixes for Windows Update. When major updates are released, you will need to upgrade Windows 11 manually or reinstall Windows 11 using an updated installation drive that includes the latest update. Except for these drawbacks, the operating system works exactly as it would if it were activated. You can install apps, receive updates, and do pretty much everything else. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, share them in the comments. I'm Ciprian Rusen from Digital Citizen, and I thank you for watching. Goodbye!